Hello, what's up guys? How are you? Hope you're fine now. Welcome back to another video about Reef Finance, guys. Reef Finance is profitable coin in a right now situation as compared to Cardano, as compared to XRP, as compared to Dogecoin, guys. Reef Finance is profitable coin because if you look the price changes update of Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, so these are going negative. But in the Reef Finance, you can see here the changes is going positive only, guys. Last 60 minute, I'm talking about 60-minute, guys, not 60 days. Only 60-minute changes is negative, except of 60-minute, the last one day, last 1 week changes occurs in the refinance is completely positive. I am feeling very happy about refinance due to these positive changes, guys. Anyways, guys, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about refinance? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos, guys. The right now price of refinance in the market is about 0.023967 USD dollar. That is the right now price of refinance, guys. Anyways, what do you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about refinance? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more updates, for more news videos, guys. And for refinance holders, I recommend for you that please hold. Never decide to sell refinance. Just hold to the last of September. I'm sure you get a huge profit at the last of September, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.